This is just going to be a real quick video. On the 97 to 2001 Cherokees, a common issue is the turn signals stop working. A lot of people go crazy trying to figure out what's wrong with it. They usually go to the fuse panel in the passenger kick panel looking for the fuses, but that's not where it is. On these particular models, the 97 to 01 Cherokees, it's underneath the dash. This is what you have to worry about, this relay right here. It gets a little expensive, I guess, depending on where you buy it. It's about 26, 30 bucks. But this is the one that's usually the problem. So I'm gonna pop this one out, and let me see if I can do it one hand. And guess pop this one out. I have a replacement one right here, and see, push it right on. All right, there's the replacement one pushed on. Now let's see if we have any turn signals. Yes, we do. See, we did not have turn signals before. Now we have turn signals. That's it. Nice and easy, people. All right, it's underneath. You do have to remove the trim panel under the dashboard to get to it, but that's your problem. Okay. Any guys need any other questions? Just ask me. outportcars.com.